Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This evening we're going to be doing an opening. On our way through town this evening, we saw a huge crowd out in front of our local game shop, Flash Games, and we were like, what's going on? So Nicole got on her phone real quick and she checked to see, and they were doing comic giveaways and Pokemon mystery packs. So we had to definitely stop by and get the Pokemon mystery packs. Show us the Pokemon mystery packs there. We each got one. He and the staff pre-packaged 500 packages with Pokemon cards. Every pack is guaranteed a $2 to $4 card, and one of the 500 has a $400 Charizard card. And we also, while we were there, grabbed our Georgia. Show us. That's not trash.
It's 10 free comic books.
10 free comics. So we're going to open those because we have no idea what kind of comics we got. See if we got anything good, anything that we would even like to read. So we'll go ahead and start with the comic books. You think? Let's do the comic books first, because I'm more excited about the Pokemon cards, but let's hold off on those.
We don't know whose is whose.
We don't really know whose is whose.
The cards are like labeled, so just take whichever.
All right, so
we should have gotten scissors.
Nicole can go first. Mom's going first.
We should have gotten what?
We should have gotten scissors.
Fine.
So it looks as though we're opening garbage. Hopefully it's not garbage. Hopefully it's really good.
I ripped mine free.
Open.
He was
They
giving
were free.
them away.
Yeah, and there was tons of people. He actually extended the sale that they're having because it was so popular.
They wanted to try and give away, like, what was it, like 1,000 comics?
All right, let me stand up here. Okay, what do we got?
Mine open.
We got
I can't give mine open.
the Punisher, $20.99. It looks like the Punisher and Wolverine. That's kind of cool looking. I like the Punisher comics. Alpha Flight,
That's the
which
only
I
one
think
that
is like
doesn't
a X-Men spinoff maybe. Got X-Men $20.99. Millennium. I'm not quite sure what Millennium is. I've never heard of that particular one. The Ascension. The Micronauts. I have no idea what that means. Sounds like something that's tiny, like Ant-Man related. Ren and Stimpy show. I haven't seen Ren and Stimpy in years. What is that there?
Brigade.
Brigade? Not sure who Brigade is, but that also looks interesting. The Savage Dragon. I haven't seen a Savage Dragon comic in a while.
There's going to be people that are mad if we
Yes,
don't know what they are.
Magic the Gathering. I did not know that the Magic cards had a comic book associated with it.
The Shadow Mage.
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 Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
The Magic people are going to be hating on you.
Oh,
And
we're twinsies.
what is that?
Star. I don't know.
We don't know. Don't know. And Georgia also.
Star.
Georgia,
That's the first
Start.
brand?
Strand.
It says Star something
Brand.
versus Star
Okay,
Brand.
the comic book
I don't
people
know.
are totally going to hate us right now.
Eh.
So this
Yes,
is.
during nightmares.
They'll get over it.
All right. So Georgia's going next. She's got the same thing Coley got.
That's the first thing I got.
Did we all get the same thing?
Oh,
do you
that's
think?
crazy.
Oh, Magic the Gathering, the
No.
Shadow Mage,
That one's a little different. Yeah, that one's
I can already tell mine.
a different art on the front.
Phrex. That's interesting.
That's kind of creepy.
It is a little smidge creepy.
What's creepy?
Oh.
Brigade.
Again, it's a different one though. Oh, it's upside down. Shadowhawk.
Shadowhawk. That looks kind of awesome, actually.
Part 1. What is this?
The Micronauts.
I got the Micronauts again.
That's like DNA in the background. Are they like just tiny people?
I don't know.
Okay, we're going to have to
I'm
read
guessing
one of these
so.
to figure
They're
it
like
out.
Miniature.
Mr. Miracle. I've heard of Mr.
Cool.
Miracle. I don't believe he's wildly popular,
Oh,
but
this one's like thicker than
this
the
one's.
other
Oh, look at the title of that one you had right there, Georgia. What's the title of that one?
Wait. Clash of the Macho Guys? What? This one's like thicker than the other
Marvel
one.
Universe Master Edition.
That's
This looks
cool.
the official handbook of the Marvel Universe. That looks pretty sweet, actually.
That looks neat.
I picked it up and I thought it was 2 at first.
Alpha Flight
My last one.
and the same Punisher one that your mom had.
There's Thor.
All right. Okay, Hall Bear.
Right?
Oh.
No, I don't think it is. Never mind. I'm bad.
The Star. It's called the Star Brand.
Looks like Wolverine.
Star Brand. Okay. Alpha Flight. That looks pretty cool. I like the Alpha Flight ones. Look interesting.
Yeah.
What is that? You got it upside down there, babe.
Oh.
The Chromium Man.
Mm. He's all shiny and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, mine are upside
What
down.
the? That looks the Marvel Mag of Mirth and
Just what
Mayhem.
the-
This looks like a goofy version of stuff.
Yeah.
Like kind of like Mad Magazine.
Another one that's upside down. What the heck?
X-Force. That has official Marvel trading cards in it.
Oh?
Yeah, official Marvel trading cards featuring Strife. Shadow Masters.
This one's
I think that's
heavy.
like a Punisher spinoff, maybe. The Star Brand.
Another Star Brand one.
Who is Nova? Nova's the hero from where the Guardians of the Galaxy go to. What's the planet they're on? Where they're like Nova Prime is the leader and they have to fight.
I don't remember.
But Nova's like the hero that's left over for when that world's decimated.
Hmm.
The Strangers.
Oh.
Brigade. I think you have that one, don't you, George?
Yeah.
Brigade.
That same one?
The same one, yeah.
That's the
We should
last
have been
one.
opening
All right.
Brad's.
I'll get it.
Just rip it open. Just tear it.
No.
All right.
Okay, I'm the worst person. I can tie
I got
knots,
it.
All right.
monitor muscles.
Muscles? It was untying a knot.
I know.
All right. What did I get? I got also the Punisher 2099.
Twinsies.
I got an Alpha Flight. I don't think we have that Alpha Flight in any of the others.
No, I don't think you can.
Like the colors.
Here's my bag.
Jim, Son of Saturn.
That's
Never
a new
heard of
one,
that
too.
particular
Oh,
one.
you
Well,
got that
I got
one
the
too?
same one, the Clash of the Macho Guys. I got Micronauts.
That one's different.
Ren and Stimpy. Got the Ren and Stimpy also. I think we have this one also. Brigade with the
I think
weird
that's the
green
one Mom
I
one.
think I had that one.
Frex. We got a different Frex, the one, not quite as disturbing looking as the one that Georgia had.
Wait, what?
I think we have this one too, the Magic the Gathering,
That's
the Shadow
not the one I
Mage.
got.
I think that's the one.
Mage. You guys keep saying mage.
And Starbrand.
Yeah.
That's
it
the
is.
one we both got. Holland,
All right, there's our comic books.
pretty
I am
sure
not
most of mine.
I am not disappointed in those. I didn't even know what to expect. All right, we
Oh, I
put our
guess that
initials
was
on these so we knew who picked which pack.
One's mine.
All right, who's gonna go first this time?
Me.
Oh, Holland's going first this time apparently. All right, Holland. Let's. Are you sure you're going first?
Gosh. Come on, put your strings into it.
All right, let me see.
Pre-opening mine.
I can't open it.
All right, apparently
Here, I'll get it.
I'll
Mom
go
will get
first
it.
since mine's open.
All right, Georgia is actually going first.
Or not. I may have
Oh
lied.
my gosh, are you a liar?
I told you we
Get
should
the
have gotten
scissors.
scissors.
And they're literally laying
These are
right there.
trash.
Nope. There we go.
Okay, here we go, Holland.
This shows how spontaneous this opening is. We're completely and utterly unprepared for this.
Okay.
We were really, I mean, we didn't even plan on going there today. It's just, we were like, what the heck's going on there? And
We drove by and saw a bunch of people.
all right, Hall. You can,
Hopefully I didn't cut the
let me
cards.
sit, let me turn
oh my
around
God,
here.
the $400 cards are just
me
in
turn
there.
around
And
while
you
you
just,
flip 'em.
cut it. Oh, there's a lot of cards in it. By
Call
the
them out
way.
while you flip them, babe.
There's a
For
ton.
Brawler. Plus
It'll take a long time.
Victini. I always forget how to say that.
Weasel.
Weasel.
Count them, George, as we're going.
Chikorita.
Oh, I've
That's
already
6.
lost count.
Ralts.
7.
Matang.
Matang. Morpeko. Spiro.
Nidorino. That I like that one.
Nidorino.
Drampa,
Grandpa.
Garupi,
Skorupi.
Ruby. Foroseed. Venonat. another
Weasel. Larvesta.
Yeah, Larvesta.
Minum. Minun.
Minun. Gallade. Electrode. Another Victini. A Krabby. Alright. Grookey. Another Metang. Another Skorupi. And this thing.
What is that? Sojourner VMAX.
That's kind of cool.
That is pretty awesome.
I think it was around 25, by the way. I lost. It may have been a little
Nice.
bit more or less.
All right, George, you're going next. Let me slide over by you. Yeah, I didn't mean to hit the table.
Alright. Electrike, Bronzor, Cutie Fly, Oh, I don't remember how to say this. It's the chameleon.
Kecleon.
Kecleon?
You can have that one, Mom. Cubone.
Go with your real chameleon.
Flaffy. Sizzlipede. Quillfish. Caterpie. Oh, there's some upside down ones. Dottler. Slowpoke. Scorbunny. Very cute Pikachu. Ammonite. Castform. Woobat. Flapple. Dusclops. Eevee. Riolu. Another Flaffy. Vulpix. Poplio. Grookey. Dark Flareon.
Oh, nice.
Ooh. That's old.
That's pretty cool. All right, Coley,
Oh, me?
you're up. Flip them towards me, though.
I think the Vulpix is old too.
Probably.
Yeah, your good one will be sleeved.
Skaroopy. Patrat. Trubish.
Trubbish.
Metang.
We've got quite a few.
Clefable.
Oh, I like that one.
Rattata. Tauros. That one's neat.
That was pretty cool.
Baltoy. Meloetta. I don't know.
Yeah.
Electabuzz. Salazzle.
Salazzle.
Seeking.
It was actually
Harris.
Salazzle.
Choodle. That's cute. Torkoal. Another Electabuzz. Mienfoo. I don't know.
Minfu.
Minfu.
Skaroopy. Whismer. Is it Ekin or Ekans? Doublade.
Doublade, I think.
Doublade. Clefairy. Magneton. Another Clefairy. And
You got
a
your Veltol.
Yveltal EX.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's
Pretty
really
wicked
cool.
looking.
That's probably the first EX Mom has ever gotten to.
All right, George, you're gonna have to hold the camera.
Start opening. That's probably the first EX Mom has
Don't
ever
cut your
got
cards.
because she didn't open them when EXs were like a thing.
The first time I've ever seen a
She like
Veltol
only
card.
opens like new packages. It's cool. I like that. Okay, put your cards right here. He's chopping it open
I'm attempting to chop
Here,
it
I
open.
can try and
without
for you.
chopping up his Charizard that's totally in there. Dad is like, he's the one that gets like the rainbow rares and stuff.
Yeah.
So,
he is the one
it
that
would
always
be
gets the
in
rainbow
character.
rares. Like, what the heck?
You know.
You're just showing the table.
I know.
Well, show something else.
All right.
The scissors.
Clobopus. Voltorb. Slugma. Slowpoke. Gossifleur. Flabébé. Ferroseed. Zorua. Lillipup. Drowsy. Herdier. Meowth. A low end Meowth, actually. Matang. We've got a ton of those. Dottler. Krygonal.
Yes, I think so.
Slugma.
Another Sigma.
Pinchurchin.
Pincurchin? I don't know.
Pinchurchin, yeah. Fanpy, which evolves into, I call it
Donphan.
Donphan, the tire elephant. Voltorb. Blaine's Ponyta.
Ooh, that's cool.
Magmar.
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 Whalmer. Execute. Qfant.
Oh.
And Celebi VMAX. None
I'm
of
the
us.
only one that got like an old. Well, Mom's is kind of
Yeah,
old too.
none of us.
Oldish.
None of us got the Charizard. So unless somebody got it today, it's still out there. There was tons of packs left when we were there. So pop in into Flash Games if you're here local. Get you some Pokemon cards. Get your free comics. They have pop figures, plushies. And what were they doing? They were doing like a 10% off sale on several things.
Yeah, they have some sales.
Check their Facebook for all the details.
They got games.
Games, yeah, they have new games, old games. You can buy, sell, trade, all kinds of things. All right, girls, what do we say?
Thank you for watching. Like, comment,
Comment,
subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.